How's it going, guys? Welcome to video 38, I think it is, of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to show you, just going to give you a quick overview of what CBO means, which is Campaign Budget Optimization. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to utilize it properly. I'm just going to give you a quick description of it today. So before I get started, if you're following along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. So I might head over to the Facebook Business Manager and I'll just show you what CBO is instead of trying to explain it. So CBO is Campaign Budget Optimization, which means you can either set the budget on the campaign level, on this level here, or you can set it, if you turn it off, you set the budget on the ads level, which is here. So if we click into campaign, let's pick a random campaign, we'll go this one. And as you can see, I've got CBO turned on, which means I set the budget for this campaign at the campaign level, and then inside that campaign there is 3 ad sets. So what Facebook will do is it will take the budget and it will split it up evenly amongst these, and whichever one does better, it will put more money towards the one that does better. So if we look on here, as you can see, this one here is going the best. So it's putting more money every day on this one. It's spending, over the lifetime of this campaign, it spent $97 on that one because it's gone the best. So when you're doing CBO, you'll set the budget at the campaign level, then Facebook will spend it on whatever ad set does the best. But if you've got CBO turned off, which I don't have in any of these campaigns, I use CBO on pretty much everything. But let's say you've got it turned off, you'd have your campaign set up as normal, then you'd set your budget on the at the ad set level. So if we come in here, we would set the budget in here. This would change around a little bit, and in here there'd be like a budget section, and you'd put your budget in on the ad set level. So there's a quick overview, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to utilize it properly. So keep an eye out for that. And if you're following along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment below if you have any questions. And feel free to share these videos with any friends that you think they might find it valuable. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks, guys.